In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a dependency in Monday.com so you can manage tasks more efficiently and keep your projects running smoothly. Dependencies are incredibly useful when one task relies on another to be completed first, and setting them up correctly can completely transform the way your team plans and executes work. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Monday.com tutorials. Let's get started. First, log into your Monday.com account and open the board where you want to create the dependency. Dependencies work best when your board already has tasks set up, so make sure you have at least two items that relate to each other. For example, Design Homepage and Develop Homepage. In this case, development would depend on design being completed first. Once you're inside your board, the first thing you need to do is make sure you have a dependency column added. If you don't already see one, click on the plus icon on the far right side of your columns. From the column center, search for dependency and select it. This will instantly add a new dependency column to your board. Now that the dependency column is visible, go to the task that should depend on another task. For example, if Develop Homepage depends on Design Homepage, locate the Develop Homepage row. In the dependency column for that row, click inside the cell. A drop-down list will appear showing all the tasks available on that board. Select the task that needs to be completed first. In our example, you would choose Design Homepage. Once selected, Monday.com now understands that this task cannot be completed before the selected task is finished. You've successfully created a dependency. To make dependencies even more powerful, you should connect them with timeline or date columns. If you're using a timeline column or a date column, Monday.com can automatically adjust deadlines based on dependency relationships. To enable this, make sure you have a timeline or date column added to your board. Then click on the column menu, choose Settings, and enable dependency settings if available. This allows date shifting when the parent task is delayed. For example, if Design Homepage gets pushed back by 3 days, Monday.com can automatically push Develop Homepage forward as well. This automation prevents scheduling conflicts and keeps your project timeline accurate without manual adjustments. Another helpful feature is viewing dependencies in the Gantt chart. To do this, click on Add View at the top of your board and select Gantt. The Gantt view visually displays task relationships and dependencies in a timeline format. You'll see arrows connecting dependent tasks, making it much easier to understand the order of execution and identify bottlenecks in your workflow. If you ever need to edit or remove a dependency, simply go back to the dependency column, click on the linked task, and either change the selection or remove it completely. This flexibility makes it easy to adjust your workflow as project requirements evolve. Dependencies are especially useful for marketing campaigns, product launches, software development, event planning, and any structured project where tasks must follow a specific sequence. Instead of constantly reminding team members what needs to happen first, the board itself communicates the work clearly. To recap, open your board, add a dependency column if it's not already there, select the task that should rely on another, link it using the dependency cell, and optionally connect it with timeline or date columns for automatic scheduling adjustments. For better visualization, use the Gantt view to see everything mapped out clearly. That's it! You now know how to create and manage dependencies in Monday.com to keep your projects organized and efficient. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Monday.com tips and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.